Hello, this is Luoyang Yujie industry. Now beside me are two size Briquette Machine Roller shell. They have just finished the assembly. And for the roller shell, the diameter is 1000 millimeters and the total height is 660 millimeters. And the cell size is 60 millimeters. And the finished ball size is 60 multiply 45 millimeters. The shaft, the roller, and the roller shell adopt the hot shrinkage fitting assembly technology. And now they have finished the hot assembly, and then assemble with the bearing housing, and also the spur gear. And for the roller shell, their capacity is 40 ton per hours, and there are 2 to 4 size, 2 size for the driven roller shell and the 2 size for the drive roller shell. Today they will finish the packing and deliver to our customer. Thank you.